Here's a simple quiz for you. What's healthier? Eating carbohydrates from a sweet potato or from a piece of pizza? You guessed it! Eating your carbs from a sweet potato is better for you. In this video, we go over what clean eating is and why it's important to eat clean as much as possible for optimal health and wellness. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our latest videos. Let's get on with the video. It's very easy to consume 3 glasses of store-bought orange juice than it is to eat 3 oranges. This is because food in its natural state keeps us feeling full and satiated longer than processed food. Eating clean is the practice of eating foods in their most natural state. We eat for nourishment of our bodies. When we enjoy our food, we also eat for pleasure. When we eat whole, natural foods, we enjoy the following benefits. Eat less. As stated earlier, you feel fuller quickly when you eat food in its natural, unprocessed state. You can easily put away 3 donuts from Dunkin' Donuts. However, you will find it difficult to go through 3 large sweet potatoes in one sitting. This is because food in its natural state keeps us more satiated and signals to our brains when we've had enough. High nutrition. Processed and synthetic foods tend to be full of sugar, salt, and lack so many nutrients we need to keep us healthy. I know there are lots of vitamin and mineral fortified cereals and foods on the markets these days, and I'm not speaking about these here. Natural or whole foods are as close to their original natural form and are high in nutrients and vitamins that provide optimal health. Less chemicals and other additives. When we eat clean whole foods, we avoid most of the colorings, preservatives, and artificial flavorings that are added to processed foods. For a healthy body, it's important to understand what macronutrients are and that we require them in larger quantities, and then eating them in their most natural state and in the right portions for optimal health. Food provides nutrients in 2 broad categories: macronutrients and micronutrients. You can get macronutrients from eating protein, fats, and carbohydrates, and we need these in large quantities, while micronutrients are derived from minerals and vitamins, and we require these in smaller quantities. Here are a few simple clean eating guidelines to help you get the most out of your clean eating regimen. Number 1. How to identify clean foods. You can do this by asking yourself one simple question. Is this a food or is this a byproduct? For instance, an orange is a food and store-bought orange juice is a byproduct. So if you're clean eating, you therefore opt for the orange and not the store-bought orange juice. Another example is, a potato is a food, and in contrast, potato chips is a byproduct, and in this case, you should opt for the potato. Another tip is, if the item has an ingredients list, it's likely not to be a clean food, because a whole food ideally is just 1 ingredient. Number 2. Eat a balanced diet, i.e., protein, vegetables, and low GI carbohydrates. At every meal, it's important to eat protein and vegetables. Proteins help you feel satiated for longer and provide amino acids or the building blocks that help to repair body tissue and build muscle structure. Vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals that serve various health functions to our bodies. Carbohydrates provide fuel or energy. It's important to limit carbs if you want to lose weight. I'll put a link to a video on healthy carbs to include in your diet. Number 3. Stop eating when you feel satisfied and not when you feel full. Even if you are clean eating, it's still important to avoid overeating because this will lead to unwanted weight gain. Listen to your body. When you feel satiated or about 80% full, stop eating. This is important for those who want to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight and body mass index. Number 4. Incorporate healthy fats. Fats are an important food group and shouldn't be avoided, even when we're clean eating. Fats provide the fatty acids that our bodies require to produce hormones and build our cells. It's important to get fat from healthy fat sources like avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil, butter, cream, cheese, ghee or clarified butter. Nuts like almonds and peanuts are good sources of fat. Number 5. Planning and preparation. Being organized is key if you want to stay on track with anything. I tend to write out my shopping list and do my shopping once every 2 weeks. It saves me time and bulk buying saves money. On top of this, I like to cook enough food in bulk to last me 3 days. This saves on gas, and I can eat the same food for 3 days straight before I get bored and need a change. On top of that, not cooking for 3 days saves me time to do other things like make this YouTube video. But more importantly, when I cook my own meals, more often than not, I tend to eat healthier and maintain my weight than when I eat restaurant meals. Number 6. Drink more water. Slowly phase out sodas and store-bought fruit juices. Avoid excess sugars and additives by making water your go-to drink when you're thirsty. Water aids in digestion and keeps us hydrated. It's important to make sure that we drink 6 to 8 glasses of pure water daily. I know it's difficult to completely eliminate soft drinks for many people, so just do your best. Remember, every little effort for good counts. Number 7. Keep it simple. Don't complicate it. Make out a list of healthy whole foods that you actually like eating. Group them into the 3 main food groups we talked about earlier, i.e., protein, low glycemic index carbohydrates, and vegetables. Fill your pantry with these foods and voila! You're on your way. At every meal, aim to eat 1 portion of good carbs, 1 portion of protein, and 1 portion of veg. For example, for lunch today, I ate a piece of baked chicken with a side of spinach and half a sweet potato. 1 veg, 1 carb, 1 protein. Simple. Number 8. Healthy snacking. To kill hunger pangs between meals, it's okay to have a snack. Snacks can be a good addition to a healthy diet if you snack smart. But if you don't, they can sabotage your health and weight loss goals. Eating healthy snacks can help to ward off hunger and keep you energetic and focused through the day. Include bananas, oranges, carrots, nuts, low glycemic index fruits like strawberries and blueberries, so you have an arsenal of healthy snacks to resort to when the urge comes up. Number 9. Clean eating is a lifestyle, not a fad or quick fix. Bear in mind that clean eating is a lifestyle change, not a quick fix or a fad diet. So try and make it as realistic as you can in a way that works for you. Incorporate whole foods that you actually enjoy eating as much as possible. Studies have shown that when we enjoy doing something, we are most likely to stick to it long term. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about health and wellness, weight loss, mental health, and much more. See you in the next video and take care.